Exercise has a profound impact on heart health, offering numerous benefits that contribute to the overall functioning and longevity of the cardiovascular system. Here are some key ways in which exercise influences heart health. 1. Improves cardiovascular efficiency. Regular aerobic exercise, such as running, swimming, or cycling, strengthens the heart muscle, enabling it to pump blood more efficiently. This reduces the workload on the heart and helps maintain a lower resting heart rate. 2. Lowers blood pressure. Exercise helps to lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Physical activity promotes better blood flow and can reduce the stiffness of blood vessels, which in turn decreases the resistance against which the heart must pump blood. 3. Enhances cholesterol profile. Exercise can improve lipid profiles by increasing levels of high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, the good cholesterol, and lowering levels of low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. This helps reduce the risk of plaque buildup in arteries, which can lead to atherosclerosis. 4. Reduces risk of heart disease. Engaging in regular physical activity lowers the risk of developing coronary artery disease, heart attacks, and stroke. Exercise helps maintain the health of the arteries and prevents the formation of blood clots. 5. Controls weight. Exercise is crucial for weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces the risk of developing heart disease, as excess body fat, particularly around the abdomen, is associated with increased risk of heart disease and metabolic disorders. 6. Improves endothelial function. The endothelium is the inner lining of blood vessels. Exercise enhances endothelial function, which helps regulate blood vessel dilation and promotes healthy blood flow. 7. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a risk factor for heart disease. Regular exercise reduces systemic inflammation markers in the body, which contributes to better cardiovascular health. 8. Manages stress. Exercise is a natural stress reliever. Physical activity increases the production of endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Reducing stress levels lowers the risk of heart disease, as chronic stress can negatively impact heart health. Recommendations. Frequency. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Intensity. Include both moderate and vigorous activities. Moderate activities include brisk walking, while vigorous activities include running or high-intensity interval training. Variety. Combine aerobic exercises with strength training exercises at least twice a week. Overall, exercise is a cornerstone of heart health. It supports the cardiovascular system by improving heart efficiency, lowering blood pressure, enhancing cholesterol profiles, reducing inflammation, and managing weight and stress. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new exercise regimen, especially if you have pre-existing heart conditions or other health concerns.